G'day curd nerds, welcome to day 13 of the Cheese a Day Challenge. Today's cheese is from Ashgrove Cheeses. It's Mount Roland Tasmanian bush pepper. So doesn't say what type of cheese is it. I would think maybe cheddar. The ingredients are pasteurised cow's milk, salt, Tasmanian native pepperberry, 0.4%, non-animal rennet and starter culture. Made in Tasmania. It says smooth, savoury and subtly spicy. Pairs well with grilled meats and Pinot Noir wine. Interesting. But yeah, it doesn't say what type of cheese it actually is or what style of cheese. So I'm guessing cheddar. So, pepperberries. Let's try them out. Nice, easy to open packet. Oh, there's a nice big pepperberry in there. It looks like it's, I don't know, yeah, it's been cut from a big wedge maybe. But yeah, there's some big pepperberries in there. So, what does it smell like? It smells like a cheddar. Anyway, let's try some of this Tasmanian bush pepper. Cuts well. A little bit crumbly. Yep. Nice. There's not a lot of pepper. Oh, there's a little bit. There's a bit. So there's no actual black pepper. It's not like black pepper. It's a native bush fruit, bush tucker. So, yeah, why pick up the wheel when I haven't even eaten any yet? Oh, let's try it. It's a unique flavour, pepperberries. I tried one the other day. I was making a cheese called Tassie Devil that I've created myself. And I'll tell you what, if you have a whole pepperberry in your mouth, it's a little similar to Szechuan pepper where your tongue kind of goes a little bit numb. I'm getting that a little bit, there's some spiciness there, a little bit of pepperiness. Yeah, it's nice. It's a cheddar. It's definitely a cheddar. So it has cheddar overtones. So it's got a nice balance of salt, umami, a little bit. What am I looking for? Brothy. Yeah, a little bit, but definitely spicy. Not as in overbearing. This is really, really subtle. Maybe it's just the piece I've got. It's a nice flavoured cheddar. Not as good as West County, certainly not as good as West County farmhouse cheddar, but it's a cheddar nonetheless. In that style, umami flavours coming through now. Coats the mouth, but not a heck of a lot of this pepperiness they're talking about. There's a big chunk of peppercorn there. I'm going to be daring and cut it out. Oh, I know this is blasphemous. Cutting into a chunk of cheese like this just to get the flavour. How far does it go? Oh, a little bit into the surface. So yeah, I know it's an unusual shape. Anyway, now I've got a big chunk of pepperberry there now. Maybe we'll get some pepperberry flavour. That's more like it. Beautiful. Yeah, that's nice. Good on it. This would be great on a cheese platter. But I prefer it with these big chunky bits. You can feel the flavour, taste the rainbow. You can taste the pepperberry. Because it's a nice flavour, don't get me wrong, it's lovely. It's just not like well, not like black or white pepper, but it's a pepperiness of its own. So yeah, it's nice. I'm gonna try another big chunk. That's delightful. There's another one on the back for Kim. The spiciness is very subtle in this cheese. So, you see, what was the content of the pepper berries again? Oh, 0.4%. Look, they could up that to 1% and it would be outstanding. It's a nice cheese, don't get me wrong. I like it. I like the cheddariness of it. The pepper berry adds something to it, which is good. I think there should be more of it. More pepper berry, yeah. Because it's an outstanding flavour. But this cheese, it's not lacking. It's okay. I think, yeah, with a bit more pepper berry in the cheese itself, then you'll get a bit more spiciness to it. Because if you're buying it to get a peppery hit, you'd be disappointed, if that makes sense. But for a subtle, spicy flavour, lovely, nice. If you've got a mild palate, this is perfect. So, if you see this around, then yeah, pick some up. It's nice. Nice on a fruit platter. It would go nice with a glass of Pinot Noir if I had some. But yeah, nice little cheese. I like it. More pepper would be good, though, to up the pepper to cheese ratio. And I think that it'd be a winner. Absolutely, it'd be a gold medal winner. So yeah, nice cheese. So that was day 13 of the Cheese a Day Challenge. Please join me tomorrow for some real Greek feta, PDO Greek feta from Greece. I've never tried real feta before, so I'm very excited about this one. So, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and I'll see you next time.